Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered what Mailchimp actually is and how it works, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly what Mailchimp can do for your business, how it helps you reach your audience more effectively, and why so many people, whether they're running an online shop or building a newsletter, swear by it. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what Mailchimp is, but you'll also understand the basics of how to get started with it step by step. So let's dive in. First off, what is Mailchimp? Well, back in 2001, Mailchimp launched as an email marketing tool, but it's come a long way since then. Today, it's more of a full-service marketing platform. At its core, Mailchimp allows you to send targeted email campaigns, build automated journeys for your customers, set up landing pages and sign-up forms, manage your contact list through tagging and segmentation, and very importantly, look at analytics to see how well your campaigns are performing. One big reason people love Mailchimp is its ease of use. The interface is friendly, even for beginners. Plus, there's a free plan and lots of integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. That means it can fit into your workflow whether you're selling handmade soap or running a major online store. Now, how does it actually work in practice? Let's break it down step by step. First up, you need to create an account. It's as simple as heading over to Mailchimp.com and signing up. You'll choose a pricing plan. There's a free option if you're just getting started, and of course paid tiers for more advanced features. This is your entryway to all the tools Mailchimp offers. Once you're set up, the next thing you'll do is build or import your audience. Think of your audience as your mailing list, the folks you want to reach out to. Mailchimp makes it really easy. You can add people manually, upload a list via CSV file, like if you've exported contacts from somewhere else, or even let Mailchimp grab contacts from tools you already use. What's neat is that you can tag and segment your audience. Segmenting is a bit like splitting your contacts into buckets based on their interests, behavior, or location. For example, you might want to send one message to first-time shoppers and another to loyal customers. These little organizational touches make a big difference down the line when you want your messages to really resonate. Next comes the fun part, designing your email campaign. Mailchimp has a drag-and-drop editor, so you don't need to know any coding or design skills to get a professional-looking email. You just pick a template, add your own text, images, and calls to action, and tweak the colors and layout to match your brand. You can choose different types of campaigns, whether it's a regular announcement, an automated drip series, or an A/B test to see which subject line works better. Take your time here and experiment. You'll learn a lot just by playing around. Once your campaign looks great, you're ready to send it out. But before you hit send, Mailchimp lets you schedule your emails for later, or even use advanced tools like send time optimization, which figures out the best possible time to reach your subscribers based on past behavior. If you're nervous about this part, don't worry. You can always send a test email to yourself first and make any changes you need. After sending, you'll want to see what's working and what is. That's where Mailchimp's analytics come in. The platform gives you tons of data, from how many people opened your email to who clicked on your links, unsubscribed, or even made a purchase if your email tied to your store. These stats aren't just numbers, they help you tweak your future campaigns so you're always improving. And finally, Mailchimp is really strong when it comes to automation. You can set up emails to go out automatically when someone does something specific, like signing up, making a purchase, or even celebrating a birthday. For example, you might have a welcome series for new subscribers or a reminder if someone leaves items in their shopping cart. These automations can save you a lot of time while making your marketing a lot smarter and more personal. And that's the big picture of what Mailchimp is and how it works. If you found this helpful, drop a like below, leave me a comment if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Mailchimp. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.